Hi there and welcome back. Now that you are familiar with the Revit hierarchy of elements, let's get straight into making a Revit family. We'll pick a basic Revit family that you might find in architectural projects. We're going to model a desk. So to create a new family, you go to Families here under the home page and click New. Now you can see here there are a lot of what are called family templates, .rft files. We'll go through a number of these in future lectures. However, for the purposes of this section, we know that a desk is a piece of furniture, so we're going to go to metric furniture. We're going to click Open. So here we have the family interface. You've got the ribbon at the top, which contains fewer tabs than the project environment. You have the Create tab, which contains functionality to do with modeling 3D geometry. You have the Insert tab, which allows you to import CADs, PDFs, images, and also other families and groups. The Annotate tab, where you can draw dimensions and 2D elements to embellish your family, which again we'll cover in future lectures. The View tab, which has information on settings on visibilities, drawing sections, and user interface and window management. The Manage tab, which contains similar features to the project environment, materials, object styles, share parameters and additional settings, etc. Any add-ins you might have, and then finally the Modify tab. Here we also have the properties on the left, which we'll go through as this course develops, and then the project browser here on the right. Obviously you can rearrange these as you see fit to suit your own setup. You have a floor plan with a reference level. You have a ceiling plan, which is the same reference level. You then have a 3D views, but you can also navigate through the 3D view here. And you've then got front, back, left and right elevations. The front elevation, for example, is looking in this screen down, up. Back is looking from the top down, right is looking from the right, and left is looking for the left. If we go into a 3D, you can see that the view cube also has these descriptions, so you can easily align a front 3D elevation with a front elevation in the project. You can see that there's a reference level here, and this relates to the reference level that the family will then be placed on in the project once it's loaded. And you can see this reference plane here and this reference plane here are the origin points of your family. Okay, that's the basic interface for the family environment. Let's get straight in to start create the skeleton around our family.